Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Code Easy. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important and powerful topic in WordPress is hooks. If you ever wanted to customize WordPress, maybe add something extra in the footer, change the post content, or modify what happens when someone logins, then you need to understand hooks. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe. It really motivates me to make more tutorials like this. So let's start. So what exactly are hooks? In simple words, hooks are connection points in WordPress where you can attach your own code. Imagine WordPress as a big machine. Every time something happens like page load, post is saved, user login, footer is displayed, WordPress says, hey, do you want to run your own code here? That's a hook, a special place where you can hook your own code into WordPress process. So instead of editing the WordPress core files, we can use these hooks to add or change functionality safely. There are two main types of hooks in WordPress, action hook and filter hook. Let's understand both in the easiest way. An action hook allows you to add something new, like running extra code at a specific time. Think of it like saying, when WordPress does X, I want to also do Y. Here's what happens in this example. WordPress loads the footer, the hook WP footer runs, our function myFooter message get called, it prints our message in the footer. So, action means do something new. A filter hook allows you to change or modify existing data before it's displayed or used. Think of it like saying, before showing this text, let me change it. Now, what's happening here in this example? WordPress loads your post content. Before showing it, it passes through the hook, the content. Our function runs, add extra text, and send it back. So the post now has a thanks for reading message at the end. So filter means modify something. Easy trick to remember. Action means do something. Filter means change something. In the next video, we understand that how hooks work behind the scan. So if you found this video helpful, like the video, hit the subscribe button. It really motivates me to make more tutorials like this.